Hello, my name is Miguel from the Mobile 757, just doing a review on this Craftsman tool set that I bought. It's 100% great for me. Some of the tools that were actually missing, all I did is just replace them. Instead of paying all the extra money for some sockets, you can get the sockets cheaper than them adding an extra 50 or 40 sockets. And as you can see, it is our go-to. We've been using it for 3-4 months. There's been no complaints. It comes with 3 drawers. Actually, the big ratchet is sitting right here. But I'm just saying, this Craftsman toolbox is perfect. It even locks itself. It's handy. I don't have to sit around and worry about things jumping up like this, because we were using this type right here, which was completely annoying. Bear with me, I'm using only one hand to do this. This is the kind that we were using for years and years, but it is completely annoying, this particular kind. The reason being, it was annoying for us because every time I put the socket in, it would, as soon as it made a bump inside, it would just fall out and do what all it's doing right now. But this one right here, it stays stationary, locks itself right on in. And this right here, the tools itself is not bad at all. It's just right here, they just jump out and carry on. This is just a tool review. Either way, Craftsman tools for me are our go-to tools. Anytime we have them mess up, we can just go to Lowe's and have them exchanged. But I have 0 problems with Craftsman. This is just a review. Either way, I like Craftsman, but I like the design a little bit better. Everybody likes what they like differently. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.